Welcome to Wash Tech University. Today we're going to be discussing how to enter cards one at a time in our system by using the Card Data Manager. We access this screen that you see by this button here that says Card Data Manager. So when I click on that, it's going to dynamically look up all the cards within your database. So I would recommend do not just load 1,000 cards into your database, because it's going to slow your system down when you go to this screen, because it's going to have to load all 1,000 cards because it's a dynamic program. And so in doing that, you will have 1,000 cards that have to get populated into this card number. So let's talk about some basic Card Data Manager features here. To begin with, you can filter your searching by choosing what type of card you want to filter to. So let's say you just want to look at one cards. You will then have only cards that are one cards in the card number or card name. If I were to choose commercial cards, because there are none in this database, you'll notice there's nothing in here. There's nothing in the name, and there are actually no companies as well. We'll go into how to set up commercial cards and commercial customers later. Today we're going to do just a basic one card operation. This is somebody who is, let's say you're doing an operation where they will give you $20 for $24 worth of value. So you'll say $24 worth of time inside the credit. You've entered in the card number. I would really recommend you put in their name, address, and email, but at minimum, their first name, their last name, and their email address. This way you can market to them later on. And now we hit add. Now that card has now been added into the database. Now let's do a new one card. And let's say that this one card is somebody who is lost money at the wash and you want to give them a refund. You have two ways you can handle that. Let's say he lost $5. You can just put in $5, hit add, send him a card. You could say, well, I want to give you a free wash as well. So if I put 1 in the complimentary field, then he will get 1 free wash. Now that free wash is an unlimited wash, or the maximum setting that your bays are set for. So if you're set for 22 minutes, if they want to wash for 22 minutes, that's what they're going to get. If you do want to restrict the time that you're going to give them for free, you could say I've refunded $5 to your card and added an additional $5 to your card, so you have a total of X amount of wash time available at the wash. And now I hit add. So I've added them to there. Let's do one other card real quick. Let's do a manager's card, because you're going to be dealing with employees. You can see we've got none of those. So let's have a manager, 951 106. And this is a manager's card. So let's put in my name. And yeah. So now I'm set up where, as a manager, I can use this card. It is an unlimited use card. Now, I just hit add, and now I've been added to the system. So you can see here, when I filter all, you can see that Zach Arnold is listed here. But if I were to say just show me one cards, you will notice that I am not listed here. If I ask to see manager's cards, you can see that I'm the only card listed here. We'll give more detail on other cards and other card uses in our next video. Thanks a lot, and talk to you on the next video.